What is going on, you guys? So today we're going to be working on the GSX. We are going to be finally doing the side skirts because I have the 2GB front bumper and the 2GB rear bumper, but I still had the 2GA side skirts. So we're going to be switching those out for some 2GB side skirts right here that I picked up from David at Monrovia Alignment. He hooked it up. I got these. They're in pretty good condition, except for that one minor paint chip right there. So I'm probably just gonna be sanding that down, giving a light coat of paint, and it should be good for now because we are gonna be taking this to mod. So I just want to throw these on there, and yeah, let's get started. Check it out, guys. So we are doing a little bit of surgery on these 2G side skirts. So I'm just reinforcing the tabs. As you can see, I bought a plastic welding kit from Harbor Freight. It was like $20. It comes with mesh, plastic pieces, and this brush to clean the surface that you're prepping. But yeah, so far I've done a couple of tabs. This one was broken right here in half, so I just added some plastic, as you can see, and it's nice and sturdy. Same thing on this side. It was broken right here, and I just pushed it together and added some plastic, and it's nice and strong. And then also right here, there was a hole where there was a screw holding the side skirt on, and I just filled that in, and I'm just gonna sand it down. It looks pretty good. And then these tabs over here, I added some mesh to reinforce them, just so they're a little bit more sturdy and they don't break in the future. As you can see, you pretty much just melt the mesh into it, and then you can add more plastic on top of it with this by melting it on. So yeah, I just finished this one, and then we're gonna probably do a couple on here if they're loose. I'm not sure, but I think this one is pretty solid. Yeah, none of the tabs on this one are broken, so we're good to go on this one. It was just that one. Just pull it off. You gotta be careful to not break it. Just like that. So I ended up breaking right here. All right, so right here we had a 10 mil that I just took off, and then all underneath the car it's just gonna be a bunch of Phil's head screws. So I'm just gonna be using my little drill over here with an attachment. Check it out. I don't know if you guys can see that screw there, but pretty much it's about like 10 of these screws up here. And that's pretty much that's holding the side skirt on from the bottom, and then it's just a bunch of tabs on the side like you saw on the other side skirts. So yeah, now we just gotta flip the car around, give you guys a quick cold start, and then we will do the other side. All right, we got it off just like that. Pretty easy, nothing crazy. It's really dirty though. But yeah, we're just gonna give it a quick wipe down before we put on the new 2GB side skirts, and it's gonna be looking good. It's gonna be a complete 2GB conversion from a 2GA. As you can see, the 2GB bumper with the carbonetics diffuser. It's gonna look good, just in time for mods. A couple days later, all the pieces that I painted came out pretty decent. Not bad for a rattle can paint job. Let's see, this is how it looks. There's some dirt in there and like orange peel, but it's honestly better than most of the paint on my GSX, because when I first bought it, I rattle canned it with some Home Depot paint and it does not look good. But this is good enough for now. Eventually, I'm gonna get the whole car repainted, all the dents fixed, especially this quarter panel. Looks like crap. There's like a dent there and there. That's how I bought it when I first got it. But yeah, we're gonna be installing this door cap piece first. This one got a bunch of dirt in it because I was painting in my backyard, but I already put some new clips in there. These are from eBay, pretty good. I ended up reusing this middle piece. It's like an OEM clip that has like a longer extension for some reason, I don't know, but yeah, we're gonna put that one on. It's the easiest one to do. All right, we got our bottom piece, this whole side skirt. Came out pretty good. All right, got the clips in, so let's put it on. It was a little struggle to get that corner piece in, but got it in. Had to take off the wheel because it was pretty hard to put that 10 mil back on without having that in the way, so I took it off. But yeah, it looks honestly way better than the 2GA side skirts, in my opinion. Finally, a complete 2GB DSM. Now I just gotta put the wheel back on, flip it around, and do the other side. Hopefully the other side's easier than this side. Got my passenger side skirt right here. Came out pretty good, not too bad, except for this run right here, but it's gonna be under the side skirt there, so it'll be fine. But yeah, I got some new clips in here all the way around, and now I'm just gonna pop it on and then do the door piece and then the end cap. All right, there we go. Side skirt installed. Now we just got to put all the screws on the bottom and it's good to go. All right, check it out, you guys. This is how the 2G GSX looks with the new side skirts. So it's a full 2GB conversion, front bumper, side skirts, and rear bumper. And the wing, actually, because before my car had the low rise wing that comes on the 2GA. So yeah, the full conversion is finally done. Took me pretty much since I got the car to fully complete it, because finding these side skirts is very hard. So here it is. It's looking nice and clean.